Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to download Windows 10 ISO directly from Microsoft homepage. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to visit Microsoft. You can either visit Microsoft or you can Google it. So first, let me show you how to visit Microsoft. So go into the Microsoft, go search and just type in Windows 10 ISO or just Windows 10. And as you can see here, you'll be able to try Windows 10. So click on it. By the way, for me, everything is on creation, but here you'll be able to basically download this in your Windows Store. Now, next thing, what you can do is you can actually Google and type in Windows 10 ISO. Once you type that in, first link, just click on it and you will land on this page right here. Now, as you can see, you can download the tool right now. This is if you want to get started. You must have a license to install Windows 10, right? So you can download the tool now, or you can update or download it right here directly. So as you can see, if we go download the tool now, you can go here, or you can go to more download options. You can log in into the Volume Licensing Service Center to download the Enterprise Edition if you want, or you can just go and download the tool right now here. As you can see, this is going to be the X tool, and this tool will also be able to, assist you within downloading your Windows 10 ISO directly. Now, as you can see, once downloaded, this ISO download tool makes it easy to turn any USB key in bootable Windows 10 installer and allows you to download the Windows 10 ISO file for the future use. So this file right here will actually be able, to basically go and download any ISO file out there. So that's pretty much how you can download Windows 10 ISO directly from Microsoft homepage. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video.